Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl D-Breezy, aka Danielle, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. I am using a 360 frontal lace front, and this is what it looks like outside of the box. I got it from Love Me. And the first thing that we're going to do is get your Vaseline and put it on your lace to protect that lace. You definitely don't want the color to seep through, so please protect your lace. Okay, and then we're just gonna section the hair. And y'all forgive me because I don't have a stand for my canvas head yet. I'm waiting for it to come, so we're just working with what we got, okay? But I definitely wanted to get this video out, so I went ahead and did it. And so I'm going to be using this color dye, the mochaccino, and I used 2 boxes. And that mixing bowl, we're just going to open your box and put it in that bowl. And so this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to be going in with a 20 developer, an Ion 20 developer. And you can go in with something much stronger if you want, but I decided to go with this one. And so I went in with 4-part developer and the color. And then so now I am just spreading the dye all over the hair. And you guys, it was a struggle to use the canvas head without the stand, okay? So please get a stand. And this is what she looks like halfway through. And I'm just going to speed this process up because it's kind of repetitive. You're just sectioning off the hair and applying the dye. So again, I went in with a 20 developer and I used 2 boxes of dye. And these all can be purchased from Sally's or your favorite beauty supply. But this is where I purchased mine, okay? And so I'm just making sure I get it all spread out evenly. And y'all, this is my first time ever dyeing hair. So I am no expert, I am no professional. I am literally just teaching you guys as I learn myself. But I do recommend to definitely get a stand for your canvas, because using the canvas head on top of the box, oh my gosh, guys, you don't know how frustrated I was the entire time trying to do this. Oh my gosh. But yeah, your girl pulled through and she came out beautiful, and you guys will see that very shortly. I'm just gonna allow you guys to take this all in. Okay, so we are all finished. Now we are going to just make sure we get the dye all over the hair. And this is what she's looking like with the dye all over. And we're going to leave her on for about 45 minutes. And then after that, we'll come back to her. So I left it on for 45 minutes and this is what she's looking like. I know you guys can barely see, forgive the lighting guys. I ordered my ring light, I ordered the stand. I'm just waiting for it to all get here. It's gonna get better, but it's not gonna stop us. So now I'm about to do the highlights, and this is what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to go back in with that 20 developer. And so now I'm just sectioning off the hair in small parts where I want my highlights to be. So this is you know, totally up to you. You can apply it wherever you choose. It doesn't have to be in a specific place. Just make sure you're taking small sections and you're getting that bleach everywhere. And so now I'm gonna wrap it with foil paper. And I got this from Sally's as well. But truthfully, you guys, you can go to the Dollar Tree and get foil paper for $1 and it'll work just as fine. So I think next time, that is what I'm going to be doing. But for this sake, I went ahead and purchased the foil paper from Sally's. And so now I'm just spreading it out and I'm speeding this part up because it is kind of repetitive. I'm just doing the same thing, getting small sections and applying my bleach for highlights. So I'll let you guys take it all in. So I did go at the top and kind of part in the middle and apply my highlights there. Just in case I want to wear like a middle part or maybe even a side part. So yeah, if you guys want to wear a middle part, I highly recommend you take 2 pieces from the top and apply that bleach. And then make sure you wrap it with foil paper. I'm gonna do the same thing other side. I'm just taking small parts, guys. I'm not even using a comb, honestly. I'm just using my hand and I'm making sure that it's not so tangled, and I'm just applying that bleach all over. You guys, I was really nervous, you know, because again, this is my first time dyeing hair. But I left the dye on for about, I'm sorry guys, the bleach. I left the bleach on for 40 minutes and then I took the foil paper off. And so after you take the foil paper off, you're just going to want to wash her. And I used the Ion Purple shampoo to wash her. So yeah. And make sure when you're washing her, guys, you wash her very good. Alright, so I did go ahead and wash her, and this is what she's looking like after a wash. And now we're going to go in and tone the highlights. And that's the purple shampoo that I use, guys. And it is amazing. It makes the hair feel really soft. But this is where we're going to be going in to highlight. I mean to tone. Sorry, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. Bloop. I'm having a bloop moment. But I'm going to be mixing 2-part developer with the Wella toner. And so I'll mix it together and then I'm going to apply it only to the parts where I highlighted the hair. And so again, this part does get repetitive, so I did go ahead and speed up the video. So you guys go ahead and take that all in. Okay, so I am now blow drying the hair. You can use any blow dryer. I'm sure you guys know how to blow dry hair. But I'm just making sure she's nice and dry. So this is what she looks like after you dry it. And guys, honestly, I don't know what to think of it right now. I'm just like, oh, well, she's kind of cute. I don't know. That's kind of the expression that I'm giving. But I decided to go ahead and flat iron and get dressed. And this is what she looks like. Now, guys, I did freaking try to layer the hair and I ended up cutting too much off. So be careful if you do layers. Guys, definitely be careful if you do layers. I was so hurt, guys, because I spent a lot of money on this unit and I just could not believe I end up cutting way too much off. Now I try to like blend it in when I do my curls later so it's not too noticeable, when it's curled, but when it's straight, it's definitely noticeable, and it really broke my heart, guys. I think I was gonna cry. Like, I almost shed a tear. No cap. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know what you think I could do better or what I could change. I love you guys so much, and I'm so excited to provide better quality now that I am getting things like my ring light and my stand, just to, make the content more seamless for you guys. But again, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and have a great day.